Soriano. This is the going to Metro Manila and this is going to Nasugbu, Batangas. So beside our showroom is McDonald's, okay? So across our showroom, ayan, yung nakikita nyo ngayon is the Maple Grove Parade. Ayan. So this is the Maple Grove Boulevard hanggang doon sa dulo na to. So we have two entrance and exit. The one is across King B, if you're familiar with King B. So ngayon, dito lalagay yung transport hub. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So this one, the whole area, gagawin itong futsal field. Ayan, jogging pod. Ayan, yan yung gagawin. And then, this is the 34 hectares na commercial district natin na binibenta natin ng mga lote. So, this one is available. This one is available. So, we will give you the availability. Okay? So, the whole 34 hectares na commercial district, meron na tayo siyang the Berdin. So, yung the Berdin directly for occupancy condominium, ito yung diniscuss ko sa inyo sa taas. And then, the one corporate place office space na rent-to-own. And then the La Casa Residences to be turned over this year. And then the Maple Park Residences, which is the pre-selling. Okay? So, eto, may mga ilang pa tayo dito. Benta nyo na yung lote natin na commercial. And then, this is the Rainwater Park. Diba? I told you about the Rainwater Park, kung para saan yan. And then, dito ilalagay natin yung mall. Ayan. And then, this is the 22.22 hectares na residential village. Ito yung sa may Watchi. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, ibenta nyo. Okay? And then, this is the road. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na labas na General Trias. Ito, may road na yan. Dinadaanan na ngayon ng mga sasakyan. Okay? And then, magkakaroon tayo na future connection to Calax, exit to Calax. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay? So, yung side na yan, ito, pagka binukas na yan, tatas na yung value ng mga properties ulit natin. Okay, sabi ko sa inyo, the best time to invest is now. Okay, walang iba kundi now. So, magkakaroon din ng chapel dito, ayan, transport hub, magkakaroon ng landers, magkakaroon ng international school inside, hindi ko lang ma-disclose kung ano, pero meron kami inano na 3 schools. So, they are known schools dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, ito yung mga lots natin, residential lots. So, we have some lots available. So, yun, nandiyan sa harapan ninyo, yan yung mga availability. Lahat ng naka-red are sold already. Lahat ng white, yan yung available natin. Okay? So, pwede kayong magpa-send ng availability kay John or kay Tin para at least meron kayong updated. Pero ang importante dito, sabi ko nga sa inyo, the prospecting. Hindi kayo magkakaroon ng anything kung wala kayong client. Yes, kung walang prospect. Okay? Which one, ma'am?